sent over this unit here. Y'all see these colors. They sent me over their Creative Color Series unit. This one's Bonnie. It's like a bang situation, and I think it's more of like a bob. Yeah, it's like a bob. So I mean, you know, that's pretty much that. The color shown is Indigo Rainbow. So I'm just, you know, I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like. So let's go ahead and pop her open. Okay. The good thing is when it comes to bang units, you don't have to use no glue. At least I'm hoping with this one I don't have to. Usually I don't ever have to use any glue when it comes to a bang wig. So let's see if we're gonna have to use any heat on this wig. It says it doesn't take heat. So love that for me. Love that it came out of the packaging with ease. Okay, y'all see this color. Y'all know this is like literally out of my comfort zone. This is not me. I don't do this, but I actually am very curious to see what this is gonna look like. Who knows? It might be the introduction I need into color. Let me get my mirror. Got me ready, okay? Ready, set, go. Whoa. Y'all, this color. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bobbi, boss. Where is my comb? I'm looking for my comb. Let me use this brush right now. Wow. This is different. This is beyond different for me. I feel like Nicki Minaj in her older days, back in the day, you know how she used to rock her bang wigs. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I literally don't know what to say. You know what? Can't even lie, y'all. This is cute. Like, I probably 100% would never wear this anywhere because I just don't go anywhere that calls for this color wig. However, if you're going to like maybe like some type of event, I don't know, you know, something that would require like a hairstyle like this, it is very well made. The coloring, like placement color of everything is super pretty. I like that the bang is thick enough and not too thin. Like the cut in this bob is done really good also. I just pulled it off my eyes just a little bit because it's tickling me, but I like how long the bang is. I like where it falls. Very good blunt cut to this. It's very even around. You don't get like that necklace shape out of the unit, you know what I'm talking about. It comes out just like pure straight, just like it is. Fits the head really good, by the way. Very pig friendly. I went ahead and like crossed these little methods in the back, the adjustable straps, to make it tighter, a tighter fit, so that way this lays flat here and we won't have any like major you know, sticking out or nothing like that. But let me give you guys like a 360 view of it. This wig is really cute. While it's completely out of my comfort zone, I still think it is adorable. I just don't know where I would go that I could wear this wig. But you know, if y'all have something in your life that, you know, requires like very, very creative coloring in your hair, this is gonna be a good one to try out. And then not to mention their Creative Color Series. Y'all see all these color options that they have? They give the most options with this wig. Like, that's a lot of different color variations. I feel like, you know, outfit wise, whatever you wear with it, it has to be like the same what's in the hair, or maybe like a plain white shirt like what I did, just to, because this is literally going to be the star of the show with this wig. I would also like to throw out how easy of an installation process this wig is. Y'all saw that I literally put it on, combed it, and then that was it. You don't have to do anything else extra to this unit. Just put it on, comb it, and you're good to go. So if you're like, oh, I need a less than 5-minute hairstyle, I like the way that this wig is made enough that I would really like to see this in like just a regular 1B or 2. You know what I'm saying? But y'all get what I'm saying when I said like reminds me of like Nicki Minaj back in the day, because she used to wear like these really full-on bang issues with some color. But this is a really well made wig. So Bobbi Boss, y'all did that. This is cute. If y'all guys are interested in it, check my description bar below. I have a link there for you to try this exact wig. Thank you to Bobbi Boss for sending it over. If I didn't answer any questions, leave them in my comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.